Narendra Modi down, down,
Down, down, down, down.
Amit Shah down, down, Illegal immigrants go back.
Go back, go back.
Kumbale lem ki we ki seng pat ki ken hun ba pher ka thain la mi ngi ka north east hagabala sakhi ba ken hun ki samla pule ka school ba north eastern hill university students union NEHU menta ka santrik uyayong arjar arpusau kala penlong ye ki jinge ki ka ba jai jai da ka ba thang ye ki Tyngshop dur ju menteri rang ba du kri India Narendra Modi padu Tyngshop ju menteri kampo yeng u Amit Shah par hakaju ko po kala thang i kendon ni ki rule ka citizenship amendment act CA arhajar ka khandai hakane ngi jinglang thang Tyngshop ki samla pule gane school ba la shimmen talang pan persya ya ka sarkar preng ban pendi ya ka dak ban persya jur ya ka ka ak dak ba thang ki kot kendon ka CA nalor ka jing thang ki Tyngshop Narendra Modi or Amit Shah harangkat ka perta ya ki sur Pynrem
Back off. Narendra Modi back off. RSS down, down, VSP down, down, PVP down, down, BJP down, down, CA down, down.
As a symbol of protest, we burn this. Amit Shah and Modi, Northeast is not down. Modi, down, down, Amit Shah.
RSS down, down, BJP back off. Narendra Modi back off. Illegal immigrants go back. We condemn CA. We condemn CA.
Burn India.
We condemn CA. We condemn CA. Down, down CA. Down, down CA. We condemn CA. We condemn CA. Down, down CA. Down, down CA. Down, down CA. Northeastern State condemn CA. Northeastern State condemn CA. Down, down CA. Down, down CA.
The student community of NEHU, we extend our hand of support to the organizations of prevailing which are present in the northeastern regions, whereby this protest has been whereby this protest has been started from the northeastern region. And also I extend the hand of support to the student organizations also under the banner of NEHU also. Why are we here today to protest against this act? Firstly, if we speak about the commitments that the government has committed in the previous years. If we talk about Assam, it has violated the Assam Accord also. And also, I feel that the northeastern regions, including all the states in the northeast of India, they are not dumping grounds for illegal immigrants. And that also, even if, as notified by the government recently, that the northeast states are not some areas of that all of the areas of the northeastern states are exempted from this act. But then I'll tell you that not 100% from all the states are exempted from this act.
It's not a place. It's not a refugee camp for Bangladeshi to come and settle here. So we condemn Amit Shah and Modi for passing this bill. Now, as a General Secretary and a representative of the NEHU, we strongly condemn Modi and Amit Shah So we like to show our condemn by burning this.
हम विरोध करते हैं। हम जितने भी नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न हैं इस चीज़ को हम स्वीकारते नहीं है। हमें हमारी जल जंगल ज़मीन की हमें चिंता है, संस्कृति की चिंता है, समाज की चिंता है। तो ये नॉर्थ ईस्ट जो है यहाँ के हम लोग कोई कठपुतली नहीं है कि कोई भी आकर जो है यहाँ रह जाएंगे और हमारी संस्कृति को, हमारे समाज को, हमारे जल जंगल ज़मीन को नुकसान करेंगे। तो हम इस चीज़ का पूरी तरह से विरोध करते हैं और हम जितने भी नॉर्थ ईस्ट है हम इसका आगे भी हमने विरोध किया है और आज भी हम करेंगे। और यहाँ आज हम इकट्ठा हुए हैं, बहुत सारे नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लोग हैं और केवल नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लोग ही नहीं है, यहाँ नॉर्थ ईस्ट के बाहर के लोग भी हैं। तो इसका हम पूरी तरह से विरोध करते हैं और आगे भी करेंगे और इस चीज़ को हम कभी पूरा होने नहीं देंगे। थैंक यू।